stuff. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rika if you're new here, and I am just really excited for fall. On some coffee that we made. New here, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I want to share just some of my fall essentials. It's still kind of warm here in Washington. It's never too early for fall. I recently moved from California to Washington, and so I wanted to share a couple things that I want to implement, just to have that balanced lifestyle that I want. As the leaves change color and the temperature drops, there's nothing quite like the feeling of cozying up with a warm blanket, tea, and a good book. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, and it's the perfect time to embrace all things cozy. Fall is a great time to reflect on our personal goals and create vision boards to stay motivated throughout the season. Creating a vision board can be a powerful tool for personal growth and motivation for several reasons: clarity of goals, positive thinking, and motivation. This method has helped me become more aware of what I want in my life. One hobby that I want to implement this fall is to cook more often. I'm starting to get back into my Filipino roots and have decided to cook adobo. Filipino adobo is an iconic dish that represents the heart and soul of Filipino cuisine. At its core, adobo is a cooking method that involves simmering meat, often chicken or pork or vegetables, in marinated sauce. Cooking can be meditating. I know for me it helps when I put on a podcast or music in the background to help me stay motivated. Or maybe that's lighting a candle to give the ambiance. Happy Sunday, everyone. I look absolutely crazy. My mask is tightening up, so I am just about to do some self-care. It is Sunday. I just really want to take care of my body today. I'm feeling exhausted. There's just been a lot of things going on in my life, lots of traveling. I'm reading the things you can see only when you slow down. It's so good. I recommend it. My boyfriend and I recently got a kitten. His name is Puppy, and he is absolutely adorable. We're training him how to walk right now. You want this? Okay, 1, 2, 3. I put on my cozy jacket that I love for fall, and I just decided to film a little bit today. Discover the peace and serenity that comes from a quiet walk in the woods. I love taking myself out in nature. It's where I can think.